This is my big problem I have with all these benchmarks, because right now we just have Winter.js just dropped, and it's like, hey, everybody, this is absolutely incredible. It can do a cajillion, bajillion, requests per second. But what ends up happening is that they do these very synthetic tests where they're doing some sort of like raw dogging of HTTP requests such that they are like handcrafting the HTTP request to be as minimal as possible, right? You literally just have like a path, a host, and that's it. And these things that are coming out are going to be just like status code and nothing else. And so it's just like so minimal. They're sending up like 50 bytes and they're sending back down like 30 bytes, and that's it. And they're just sending this back and forth as fast as possible. And they're like, look at that, we can do 100,000 requests per second. And it's just like, this doesn't make any sense. You're not even testing anything, because specifically when it comes to JavaScript, you must remember that JavaScript executes in some sort of like VM-like thing is what we can call it, where you actually have an entire system that wraps it. So when it does a network request, you're actually using whatever is wrapping it to do those kind of requests. You're not requesting in JavaScript. So what you're really testing is how fast is their environment for this thing right here. And so you're just like, you're not actually doing anything. And so the moment you try to put any workload on this, like you actually do a real HTTP request with real headers that need to be parsed, or you're actually responding with any amount of text, this 100K, it goes down to like 1K, like super quick. That's my problem with benchmarks. They're not real. They've never been real. They're too synthetic. Don't trust them. Don't look at them.